I'm back, finally, with a 5 tutorial, which I was being delayed. Ah, crap! I had to use this for a stand. I don't have a stand. Crap. Hold on a second. Just get something. There we go. So I'm making a 5 tutorial, which some of you may say, finally, when watching this video. Grr again. Just skip this part. If you don't want to watch this me explain blah blah blah. Just skip to. Okay, never mind. Okay, so the first thing you're gonna want to do is just make a cross with any color. Well, no wait, not a cross. You're gonna do this. You're gonna add it on like puzzle pieces. Like first you're gonna end up having these two, and then you're just gonna build up more like that, and you're gonna have that. I didn't entirely have this planned out. I wasn't planning on making this today, actually. I don't plan, which is me. I don't plan YouTube videos. Well, for now. Don't unsubscribe because I said this. Please don't. Just don't do it. And build up again, like that. Then what you're going to want to do is get these two white pieces down here, but then you have this up there. And easy, just turn it like that. And then turn this side because there's no white there. And then you're going to do the same thing again on the top, only make sure the 3 spots are on the other side. And there you go, you have your 3 stripes. Okay, and after that you're going to pull it up here at the first side. Repeat this process. I'm going to use this side now. Yeah, you can't pick the opposite side. You have to do that specific side. And also sometimes you might not, because it's like this. Say I have to move this side, but then you have this in the way. So a way to get around that. So yeah, just use this part. If it was white, if it was the other side, then you'd have a problem with that. So we're gonna do that, but only using only this layer, only using the 2 layers the ones behind it. But you can still use the outer layers completely. It doesn't matter how you use the outer layer. Just keep on pushing it. Let's say you need to get this up here, but then there's a problem down here. This. Well, there's a simple solution for that. Just basically turn the red part, turn the red part to be sure that it'll be up on the top instead. According to how this cube is. That's just my dog barking. Okay, I have this behind there. If you don't want to ignore that, you can just move this part instead. Oh crap, never mind. You're gonna have to do it like this. You're gonna have to do that. When you move this layer, move this layer in order to get it over here. And rotate it like that. From here to here. But this part was messed up. So I'm gonna fix that by so then instead of moving this part, I'm gonna fix that part over there. Okay, let's say you need to get the final stripe in there. This stripe to here. This stripe to here. Well, you're gonna need to move it the way you don't, the opposite, in the opposite direction, in the opposite, in the opposite direction of where you want it to be. You're gonna have to move it this way. Once you move it like that, you're gonna have it up here and move it back. Okay, repeat this process with the opposite side of the first color you did. I'll be right back when I finish that. Pause the view here real quick. Okay, I'm back. I kind of overdid it a bit. Did this part. Just be aware when you have the colors you already, one of the center colors you already solved. Just be aware. Do not do it. If you see that on that side, do not turn the outer layer of that side if the color, if that certain color is in there in that center. I know what you're thinking. I kind of suck at explaining my videos. Well, I'm sorry. I do suck. I don't know why I'm saying that to myself. Okay. Okay, let's say you have this corner down here, and you need to get up there. Simple, just how to fix it. Move this corner, not these two squares. Just turn the side, and then I'm gonna turn this part. Okay. I wish I could just pause, but I get the feeling I'm not explaining it well enough. Okay, so you have the last two sides pretty much. Just be sure if you have any other color besides those two colors you're trying to solve, the center colors you're trying to solve, just be sure to only turn the side that has absolutely just be sure it doesn't have a different color besides orange or blue. That's just the example I'm using right now. Okay, so, just like this. Getting closer. When you get down to this, these two areas, these so stupid. These two colors, do this, move this corner over here, then move these two oranges, or two of whatever color you have to the other side, one corner left. I'm going to try a just gonna move it like that. Oh, crap. Sometimes you might encounter this problem, like me. Oh crap! I think I forget what to do. I think I'm supposed to. No, wait. No, I didn't do anything. Well, crap, I forget. Well, I'm just gonna keep on doing this. Crap.